So here we need to obtain the terms from the end of a given geometric progression. We have two different geometric progressions. So let's begin with one. So in this particular problem, we have a geometric progression. Let's define the common ratio first. So the common ratio will be, we'll consider the second term, which is 6, and divided by the first term, that is 3. 6 over 3, that's 2. So that means the common ratio of this particular geometric progression is 2. Now, to find out the fourth term from the end, what we'll do, we'll write the given sequence in the reverse manner. So that means we'll consider 3072 as the first term. Then the remaining terms would be 12, 6, and 3. Then in this case, the common ratio, the new common ratio, let's call it R1, is going to be the reciprocal of the common ratio of the original geometric progression. So that's going to be 1/2. Now, we can easily find out the fourth term. So here we will be using the formula for obtaining the nth term of a geometric progression, which is given by a times the common ratio, and the common ratio is raised to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, we have the fourth term, a4, from the end. So we are considering this particular arithmetic geometric progression. So our a value is 3072 multiplied to the common ratio half raised to the power of 4 minus 1. We have 3072 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. That means we have 3072 divided by 8, and this is going to give us a value 384. That means the fourth term from the end of the geometric progression given by 3, 6, 12, with the last term being 3072, it's going to be 384. Let's do the second problem. In this particular problem, now we have a new geometric progression. Let's obtain the common ratio of this given geometric progression. So it's 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 2. Now this is going to give us a value 1/3. That means if we reversed the geometric progression, we'll have 1 over 4374. This is going to be the first term. Then our remaining last three terms will be 1 over 18, 1 over 6, and 1 over 2. Here, the new common ratio R prime, so this is going to be equals to the reciprocal of the common ratio of the original geometric progression. So that is going to be 3. Now we can obtain the fourth term from the end. So a4 is going to be the first term of the reverse geometric progression. So it's 1 over 4374 multiplied to the common ratio, which is 3, raised to the power of 4 minus 1. Let's further simplify. So we'll have a4 equals to 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 1, that's 3, divided by 4374. The 3 raised to the power of 3, that's 27. 27 divided by 4374. And simplifying this, we are going to get 1 over 162. So this is going to be the fourth term from the end of the geometric progression, which is given by half 1/6 1 over 18 to the last term, which is 1 over 4374.